Can we get a phone book?
I'll just balance.
Booster
seat. Top of the morning to you.
Aye, aye, Captain.
It's a lovely day. Welcome. Welcome back to another Thursday Learn Day. This week we have a new opportunity for you to be a star in future Thursday Learn Day videos. And we are calling it Do It Yourself Thursday Learn Day.
DIY, TDLD.
Hashtag DIY. The best program ideas come from users in the community just like you, so we want to give you the opportunity to be a star in an upcoming Thursday Learn Day video. Today, we're going to give you all the steps that you need to create your own and share with the Sphero EDU team. And now Bill is going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make your Thursday Learn Day video Sphero style.
There are 3 steps to make a great Thursday Learn Day. Danny, could you hold this, please?
Sure.
Take your device with the Sphero EDU app, make a new program, and it can be draw, blocks, or text type with any robot that you want. I'll use blocks and Sphero. Once you have a great program, you'll want to take a video of it to narrate exactly what it does and how it works. If you only have one device to do the video and run the program at the same time, you can click in the upper right hand of your mobile device and notice that you get this great video view. Now you can start recording video in the bottom right, and then run the program and say something like, "This is my loop forever metronome program that replicates a real world metronome." You can stop the program or run it again. Once you stop the video, you have the option to upload it to your program. Click the upload button. Then when you go back to your program, to the detail page, you'll notice that that video is set up as the default media for your program. The third and final step to make your do-it-yourself Thursday Learn Day is to submit the program to us. You'll do that by going to the program detail page, click the 3 dots in the upper right, edit program, and then make sure to hit this public toggle. And lastly, you'll need to make sure you give your program a great name and include the hashtag DIY so that we can find it amongst all the other Sphero community programs. And then hit done. And we'll reach out to you if your program is going to be featured in an upcoming Thursday Learn Day.
But wait, Bill, isn't there more to Thursday Learn Day than just the program itself?
There absolutely is. We have a lot of fun making Thursday Learn Days, so try to include the process of your creativity in your video, maybe some failed attempts, some bloopers in the video.
11.
This is blinking red. You gave me an uncharged robot.
Twister's a game that...
How to build stories with Sphero using storytelling functions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that a thing?
Are you ready? Yeah. And that's Sphero Pong. Wait, hold on. To get a high quality video, you can use things like an iPhone, a tripod, or maybe even a friend to hold your camera steady. Also, try to talk really close to the mic to get really good sound, and make sure there's enough lighting so we can see everything. One more thing, try to cut down on the background noise. Keep it down back there! And just to prove you can do this with your device at home, we shot this whole thing on this iPhone.
And to make it easy on you, we've listed all of the video tips for you to consider.
I'm Bill Cullen.
And I'm Danny Hammernick.
You stay classy, Sphero EDU.
Thanks for stopping by.
But mostly, stay classy, Sphero EDU.